Charlie Munger's Daily Journal Corporation just doubled down on Alibaba. And I think this is both good and bad news, which we're going to dive into in about a minute, and let's go. Now, many of you may already know that in Q1, Charlie Munger opened his position on Alibaba. He's just nearly doubled down and increased his Baba holdings by approximately 83% in the past quarter. And of course, he's not the only value investor in this name. Some of you may remember that Manish Pabrai has made it 21% of his portfolio. It also has been the most purchased stock by super investors as shown by Datarama. So why is this good news? So on the good news front, Charlie Munger is probably seeing the same value in the name that we are seeing, which of course is some of the following items. First, it's selling at a deep discount. The business is selling at approximately $150 a share and is easily worth at least $300 a share, and some people have it as high as $600 a share. Second, Baba will absolutely be a strong beneficiary of the continued growth of the Chinese middle class. Third, cloud computing in China is in its infancy and Alibaba is a leader in the space. Fourth, the regulators are working with Ant Group to get the company back on track with its potential IPO. So why is Charlie Munger doubling down on the stock bad news, guys? Well, really, I was waiting to see if Berkshire would start buying it, but I don't think it'll happen if Daily Journal is active in the quarter. I don't think Charlie Munger would ever front run Berkshire. They've had problems with that in the past. The second point is, I think people are reading into this purchase too much. Remember, 44 million is a drop in the bucket for Charlie Munger's net worth. And remember, he only owns like 3 or 4% of Daily Journal Corporation, so that 44 million is a lot smaller. So I would encourage caution and to be careful before you buy just because a super investor is buying. I mentioned before, when Manish Pabrai bought Baba, it shouldn't matter who's buying the stock. They don't matter. If you're interested in that research but don't have a lot of time, no problem. I broke down as many points as I could about Alibaba in this 1-minute Alibaba stock analysis video, which you can grab right here.